How to make Disney Plus full screen. So if you want to make Disney Plus full screen, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Disney Plus application. After opening your Disney Plus application, make sure that you're logged into your account. First, you need to open up your Disney Plus on your browser. So search for www.disney.com and then you need to go and log into your account. After that, you need to navigate to any movie or show and then press F11 key on your keyboard to enter full screen mode. If you're using your Windows or Linux, then F11 key is the answer. Press F11 again to exit the full screen mode. But if you're using full screen icon, while a movie or show is playing, look for the full screen icon in the lower right corner of the player as you have on your YouTube. Click this icon to expand the context to fill the entire screen. Click the icon again to exit the full screen. If you're using your Mac keyboard, then for Mac users, the keyboard shortcut to enter full screen is this keyboard shortcut. That's the combination for Mac keyboard users. To exit, you need to press the same combination again. That's how you can make Disney Plus full screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.